Alright, this is my lawn roller setup that I have going on right now. As you can see, it is homemade, and I have built it myself, the whole frame, and I have used a hot water heater, the tank from a hot water heater, and I have made some gussets and welded some shaft to it and made a little frame around it and using some 3/4 pillow block bearings. And I have this seat on it from a Farmall tractor on this side. That's how that looks. And I'm towing it behind my Gravely walk behind mower. This one's from the 60s. It's I think a Model L. I just have this bag on it so rain doesn't get into it, because this hood's not very good. Obviously it's homemade, but yep, it's a cross flow head on it. Works pretty good. I've been using it a little bit here and works pretty good. The seat fell off actually. The old bolt that was in here snapped, and I was going around a turn and almost got run over by it. I was able to shut it off and get up. So then I got that one. So then that's on there way better than it was. It would appear someone's shooting a gun and enjoying their freedom to do that. But anyways, yeah. Here, I haven't painted it yet because I'm still in the testing phase. Like before, the seat was a little too high, so I cut it down right here and re-welded it, as you can see. And yeah, so I'll probably paint it red to match this, because that's probably what I'll be pulling it with, because we've got a nice little seat on here. I've got some weights chained on there right now, some John Deere suitcase weights. I don't know, I'll make a bracket. That was just because this thing, right, it needs to balance, because most of the weight's in the engine, you know, because you'd have like a big sickle bar or lawnmower or something on the front of it to balance it out when you're just walking behind it. So now it balances it out pretty well. Then when you sit on it, you know, it's fairly easy to maneuver and manipulate, as you can see right here. And then steering. Anyways, so I'll fire it up here and give you a quick demonstration. And that's how it starts up, with just a rope. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see it more of it in depth in action, the next video will be a POV video of this running. So I have the GoPro on my head and just going around in the yard. If you're interested in that, check out next video, which will be up shortly. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, check out this video over here, and then check out my most recent video over here, and then click subscribe just in the middle. Thank you again, and have a nice day. Goodbye.